The National Commission for Women, in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Women Commission, today held a regional-level consultation on combating human trafficking in NER at Northeastern Council Auditorium, Shillong. The objective of the consultation is to improve the effectiveness in tackling cases of human trafficking, raising awareness among women and girls, capacity building and training of anti-trafficking units, and to strengthen and synthesize law enforcement machineries. In her address, Rekha Sharma, Chairperson, National Commission for Women, appreciated the scenario of women in the Northeast and their dominance in every field. Sharma stresses on devising newer methods of prevention, protection, and prosecution of human trafficking of women in Northeast region, since the region shares international borders with countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, which has invariably become a transit point. In view of tackling cases of human trafficking, Sharma said that the NCW, along with States Commission, can play a greater role in creating job opportunities, sensitization for girls in schools and colleges, and holds periodic meeting with the stakeholders to review the challenges. Others who spoke in the inaugural session included Pidalia Toy, Chairperson, Meghalaya State Commission for Women, and Shri C.H. Karshieng, Planning Advisor, Northeastern Council.